Oh, look, that's an old fire truck. All right. I actually haven't seen these type of trucks for a really long time. And I think, yeah, I just wanted to show you Mercedes Sprinter van. Yeah, you see, and I think that one doesn't work as a fire truck, as you can see, because it doesn't have a signals there. And it's a Zeal. I think like maybe it's 40 years old. Look, all right, yeah. Just fresh from the from the restoration custom shop. Yeah, we had this type of fire trucks. Yeah, and there's a lot of things you can see in the traffic jam, like this crane. Oh, the fire truck just stands behind me. I'm gonna try to catch it. Yeah, it's not very hard because my lane doesn't go very fast. Oh no, now it does. Oh no. Now I have an opposite traffic jam rule. I need to get to go not faster than other cars, but slower. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the slower lane. Yeah. Okay. Now even slower. Even slower. Are you ready to see an old fire truck? Here it is. О! Крутой у вас грузовик! 77-й год. 77-й? А газоните? Ништяк, ништяк. That's a V8 and it is 77. It was produced. Oh, a horn. It was produced in 1978 year. Cool. А вы реставрируете, да? Кино. А, кино? Прикольно. As I asked, these guys are restoring cars for the movie, so this one will be seen in the movie soon. I hope I will be in that movie. And here it is from the back. As you can see, there is like I don't know what these tubes are for, but it looks awesome. Look at the tail lights; they're like very round and very cute. Oh yeah. 1978, that means that these type of fire trucks were used in the USSR and probably even in the 70s. Yeah! Old school! Like this paint is like fresh, and I like the white things on the wheels, like on the old school cars. And some hooks in the front bumper, probably if you got stuck somewhere, like, yeah. Крутой!